Good morning, Chubs. Good morning. How are ya? What are you doing? Alright, so we'll see. I'm gonna take the weekend daily. See how many people show up. Should be fun. Hopefully a few people show up and just get to catch up with them. I know a lot of people say they were gonna make it, and at the last minute they said they couldn't, but I understand. We're all busy, so we'll see. If one person shows up, let that be one person, and if 10 people show up, then awesome. Thank you in advance. Let's get some stuff together. I already have some of the things that I have going on for today. Is got a little table, little mini football, pump, handballs. That was for you, Mike. Some lug nut, some ARP studs for ¿cómo se llama ese güey? Evil dude. And hopefully it'd be cool if Moises shows up. Just kind of timing the fact that he's gonna be in town for tomorrow's Peterson Museum event. It'd be cool if he makes it, but I know that's a far drive and they gotta check in and stuff. All right, we'll catch you guys. Let's get some coffee and then we'll see what happens. We bully Jason into airing out. He's like, I'm just gonna park 4x4 status. Nah, that's cool, man. Just so far people have shown up, and you know, we're just showing love to the different cars, and nice to have them here. Isaac couldn't make it. Jason. One of the nicest Civic EFs by far. So cool. So right now we're gonna go check out Izzy's car. His daily actually. Just an EJ coupe and OEM plus. He has a hood bra and he's still working on his hatchback. Hopefully he'll be on the channel. He's still undecided on what to do with the paint, but we're looking forward to that. It'll be pretty cool. So right now we're just gonna check out his Civic coupe, and yeah, man, just super clean.
It's just everyday car. I was supposed to clean the engine, but yesterday ran out of time.
Supposed to clean the car.
I got too many cars.
So he got like OEM lips from Honda, and then the mud flaps as well. So that's pretty cool. I know he supports his homie.
The EX model, but it's like
Might drive slow. Yeah, see how it goes. So stupid. It pops the other way around, so you gotta go over there.
The thing is dirty.
Oh, get the hell out of here with that. Oh my god.
The calipers are dirty. Everything's dirty.
Sorry.
You want to talk about cutting? There's some cutting in this one. Like the factory styling, like the door panels have. That's what the pattern of the original car came. So it has that, and then the seats are more listed in.
That's
I like
crazy.
lines that have, so I ended up doing lines on the back, on all the back rubs, so it kind of ties it all in.
Just the detail on this is crazy.
What do you see on it?
Running AM.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
The man, the legend, passionate breed. Dude, I thought you were gonna bring the CRV.
Nah, I decided to drive this one.
up, man?
How are
Thank
you?
you for making that one.
Yeah, no problem.
Just a few dudes talking about nothing.
My son.
Your son? Let's get some coffee. We have the cold fraps and then donuts and then that's it, man. Let's go. The old school wheels.
The next one you want to do is change the car. I have a Type R motor at home.
Man, it's starting to heat up right now.
Stock exhaust. The guy that I bought it from, the car was basically stock. He just had the exhaust in it. So it has just a stock pipe.
My brother's Accord. Yeah, awesome turnout, man. Thanks to all of you that showed up. Really appreciate it. The dead trap showed up.
Right in front of the big truck.
Derecha, güey. I guess I got a thumbnail now. Alright, back at HQ. Gonna get ready for Mr. Sexy to come and roll the fenders. And then he's gonna do my brother's. So, just the front ones. The rear quarter pounds are fine. And then, yeah, hopefully get wheels. Get tires for the wheels on during the week. And then start messing with the fitment. And, well, not really. I have to jack it up. And then that way it goes to paint. I'll go paint with this. I'm gonna take everything apart. Still gotta get the rear bumper, line this up properly. Have a trunk, can swap the trunk, and then we'll be good. Hey, a Fender roll, or you're gonna do welding? Shit.
Welding, man.
Damn, we got Mr. Sexy in the house. He's scared that he's gonna get robbed. Shit, he has his alley. All right, cool. Do your thing. Thank you. Now you do graffiti?
Huh? Yeah.
You're the one who did that graffiti, huh? I'm gonna start working on my brother's car. The engineer. Looking good. Looking good. And then let's while the car's out, let's do a little update. So I replaced the trunk. Nice mint trunk. However, since the car was hit from the back, there's a gap here. It's like really bad. So, but the other trunk, it had the same issue. So, you know what? It's one of those things that once that car's been, you know, slammed or whatever, it's never gonna be 100%. So, it is what it is. Kind of sucks, but I don't want to have another canvas. I know. I'm that's dumb when it comes to having a clean car, but at the same time, I'm in love with this car. So, fenders perfectly rolled by Mr. Sexy. Kind of the way the car sits, and it's crazy because it looks really poor right now. Well, almost all the time, but tires on the wheels hopefully tomorrow. No, shit, today's Saturday, so no, till Monday. I gotta drop off the STI at the dealership. There's something wrong with the hub, so they gotta figure that out because the second time it gives me that issue. And so this one, I'm gonna get tires for it. My brother's gonna take these ones. So these wheels are gonna go in that white Accord, and that's why he's getting his fender rolls and rolled and whatever. And yeah, man, should be fun. Should be fun. All done. Nice meeting you, man. That thing's quick. No, that thing's quick, man.
I bet. Having 200 something.
We're all waiting for him to turn around.